I know it's early days, and you project unemployment, for instance, to reach 30%, could still be in double digits by the end of the year. Should the Fed identify a specific threshold for, say, unemployment to fall to before even discussing an exit strategy for zero interest rates?
Scarlett, I think that is inevitable. They should establish a criteria because let's face it, let's assume for a moment that my projections are correct. I would expect that unemployment won't be any better than 10% at the end of the year. That was approximately how the worst of the Great Recession, and it took practically another decade of low interest rates to get the economy to operating levels that we were at just in December and January of this past year. So I think they do ultimately need to provide some kind of a guidance in this area, and otherwise, I'm concerned that the market will at some point get itself into a tantrum. And we've lived through the taper tantrum in 2013. We lived through the tantrum in the fourth quarter of 2018. Those have not been very productive experiences. And given the vulnerability of the economy, I think the Fed is just being forced to be more aggressive than it normally would be.